How to change your phone number in WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp application. Tap on the three dots that you can see at top right corner of your screen. Tap on the option Settings. Tap on the option Account. You can find the option for change phone number under the section for your account. Tap on it. Now you can change your phone number. Tap on the option Next. You can see your old phone number over here. Enter the new phone number. Tap on the field of country code. Now enter the country code over here. Once you do that, enter the new phone number. Tap on the option Next that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, you'll be prompted to enter the OTP sent to your new phone number. Simply enter that code over here. The code will be sent to you via the SMS or phone call. After you enter the code, follow through the prompts in order to confirm the change. After that, your phone number will be changed. Like this, you can change phone number on WhatsApp. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.